back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna or Queen D. Today is BoxyCharm for the month of May. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Alrighty. Oh, so the card is right here on top. Let's see what this is. It says BoxyCharm Flourish. Cute. Let's go ahead and we'll just go down this list and see what we've got. So the first thing is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. I do believe this was my choice and I did pick this out. So this is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. To me, it sounded like a highlighting wand or like some sort of luminescent wand of some sort. So it says 4 ways to glow on the side. It says over Shape Tape Concealer alone for no makeup magic, mixed with moisturizer primer on high points of the face, collarbones, and décolleté. So clearly it can be used all over the body in a bunch of different ways. That's kind of exciting. Okay, let's see what this actually says. So this retails for $27. Oh, let's kind of show you guys what it is. So it does look like it comes in like a little, same thing, kind of like a Shape Tape. Alrighty, so the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand is an instant eye lift in a tube. Sheer liquid brighteners let your skins come through and deliver a natural, lit from within, youthful glow. Its diamond complex delivers a soft focus finish, includes removable sponge for on-the-go blending. Again, this retails for $27. I did get the shade Dream. Let's just pop it on and kind of see what it looks like. Okay, this is cute. This is the packaging. So here's like the little top, the little sponge at the bottom. Let's see what the actual applicator looks like. Oh, just like, kind of to me looks like a lip gloss applicator, if anything. And I'll just do a little bit of the back of my hand. And this is what she does look like. This is Dream. I'm gonna kind of like blend this out with my hand a little bit. Okay, there we go. We got some reflect. Definitely needs to be blended in order to see that reflect. Because wow, like look at that. That is super glowy. I love that. So that'll probably look good like underneath foundation, just to like glow the whole face. Or you can put it on your highlight area. I'm just gonna kind of like lightly tap this on here and see if it'll kind of transfer. I'm not really sure, to be honest, if that's working, but yeah. So okay, I'm really excited to try this. Again, this is the shade Dream. All right, so next in the box is the Cap Cosmetics Day and Night eyeshadow palette. Okay, alrighty, so this is what the packaging looks like. This is the Cap Cosmetics Day and Night eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and open her up, see what she really looks like. To me, I would assume neutrals before opening this. Just I'm assuming neutrals. I don't know, it says day to night, so it could be anything really. So let's take a look. I'll let you guys see first. Ooh, okay. It's still pretty neutral, but it's got these like berry tones. It's got some berries in here and a little bit of warmth tones as well. Got a nice little ceiling cover. Oh, these are cute. Twinkle Twinkle is the color of this one's name. That's so cute. Oh, these are cute. Okay, this is really nice. This is a really cute little eyeshadow palette. Okay, I've never heard of Cap Cosmetics until today, so really excited to try this out. The palette looks really nice. It's like a nice mixture of mattes and shimmers for sure. So, oh, cool, exciting. So this retails, whoa, this retails for $52. That's a lot. It says this palette has a new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night. An all-in-one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime looks and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a little more intense nighttime look. Okay, so this is a new launch. This is something brand new. That's kind of cool that they've reformulated or they've come out with a new formula. So that's really nice to know that companies are really trying and still growing. Okay, cool. I'm really even more excited to try this out. Ooh, okay, let's move on to the next thing. Alrighty, so the next thing in here is the First Aid Beauty. This is the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smooth Priming Moisturizer. This retails for $30. This is what she does look like. Let's read a little bit on it. It says on this, it says Coconut Skin Soothing Primer Moisturizer. So it's a priming moisturizer. To me, sounds like it's really hydrating, and then it'll probably smooth out some pores a little bit, probably. All right, it says this is $30. This is formulated with coconut water and other superfood ingredients. This complexion enhancing moisturizer instantly brightens, hydrates, and smooths while helping blur the appearance of pores. The result is beautiful, healthy looking skin when worn alone, and long-lasting makeup when used to prep skin. Okay, so that's kind of exciting that it's going to try and do both. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'd probably still use this as moisturizer and then still put a primer on top of it. I've been really dry lately, so that's honestly what I would do with this. Unless my skin was like kind of acting normal. for once, which it has not been lately with the weather been changing back and forth. And this also says it's safe for sensitive skin. So next is the Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer. Okay, I don't feel like I've gotten a bronzer in a long time. So this is the Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer. It says this oil controlling formula is infused with botanical ingredients including bamboo powder for a shine-free sun-kissed finish. The super lightweight powder can be swept across the cheekbones for a subtle glow or built up to contour and chisel your features. This retails for $28. I really like the Ciate London packaging. This is really cute. Sorry, you can see completely what's behind it. I'm behind the camera. Oh, okay. This is really cute. It's a little dark and warm, but I'm not mad at it, honestly, because I think this will be, honestly, you could use it as a blush even. Like, you know what I'm saying? This is definitely probably gonna be like in my summer shade. But other than that, it has a full-size little mirror in here. This is called South Beach. Oh, this is so cute. I just really like this packaging all together. And again, I don't remember the last time I've gotten a bronzer or a blush or anything in BoxyCharm. So really excited to get this. Oh, cute. I love trying out new bronzers. And Ciate London is a great brand. I really have tried a lot of their stuff already and I really liked it. I don't know if they have foundations or anything like that because that's something I haven't tried, but I have like a spray. I've got a face palette. I've got this. I've got an eyeshadow palette. I've got quite a bit from Ciate London. So really, really excited to be trying this out. The last thing in the box is this Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Hydrating Primer. Okay, so this is the Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Hydrating Primer. Okay, again, I need hydration because I'm dry, so I'd probably put this one on first, then this one second. But it kind of sucks I got two kind of primers. And I will say, I think I got a primer last month or the month before. So that's a lot of priming. So the Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Hydrating Primer. It's as easy as prep and set. With this new face product, create the perfect canvas for seamless application while giving the skin a luminous effect or shine-free matte finish. It brightens, soothes, and boosts radiance. This retails for $15, so that's a fair price, honestly. This is 1 full fluid ounce. So it's gonna hydrate, brighten, smooth, soothe, long-lasting wear makeup, boost skin radiance, and it is sulfate and paraben free. It says not too late to hydrate. Oh, that's so cute. I don't know if you can read that, but that is so cute. Okay, let me go ahead and add up my box and we'll see what the total was for this month. I'd say this box was pretty decent though. So let's go ahead and add it up. Alrighty, so I added up the entire box and it came to a total of $182. So I think that's really awesome when I only paid $25 for the box. I will say I'm mostly excited for the box. I'm a little underwhelmed by the two little moisturizing primers because I feel like these are quite similar products to be getting in one box, but whatever. I'm mostly excited about this Shape Tape Glow Wand, this bronzer, and this eyeshadow palette because this was really fun. I think I might take this one to my mom's house and leave, especially since it's a day to night, and it'll be really good for me to do some eye looks before I go to work and stuff like that. So all in all, really like this box, y'all. Alrighty, so this does complete today's video, guys. Comment below what you guys got in your BoxyCharm if you have a video going on. I also wanted to mention that I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon once I reach 200 subscribers. So once I reach 200 subscribers, keep an eye out for a giveaway video, y'all. And comment below as well what you guys would like to receive in a giveaway. I will see you guys in the next one. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!